In this video, I am going to introduce the structure of this portable laser marking machine and show you how to turn it on and off. First, let's talk about the structure. The first part is the industrial computer, the main control box. Next is the galvanometer and the laser part. There are two front and rear lifting rocker arms. Below is the rear part of the laser. This is the up-down adjustment, and this is the front-back adjustment for controlling the optical path handle. Next is the lifting part. It can be raised and lowered using the rocker arms. Below is the optical path at the bottom. When released, the optical path can be rotated 360 degrees. Below is the neck of the optical path. Loosening this screw allows the galvanometer to rotate 360 degrees. Next is the interfaces at the back of the machine. At the bottom is the power input of 220 volts. Above it is the foot switch. This part is for the input and output signals of the device. It includes the optical fiber cables and communication cables. This is the spare port. Next is the preparation before turning on the machine. After determining the location of the machine, lower the 4 cabinet feet. After determining the machine's usage position, the machine is ready for power on. Insert the 2 plugs. One is for the device, and the other is for the computer. Turn on the computer. The switch is right here. Then, press the emergency stop button. Turn on the main switch. Turn on the laser switch. The emergency stop button is used in case of special situations. Press it to immediately stop the machine. Enter the operating system. Double-click to enter the operating system. Below are the steps to shut down the machine. Turn off the laser. Turn off the main switch. Close the software. Shut down the computer eventually. Done.